Conversions. This is something that we will do from the beginning of the semester till the end of the semester. So let's start with converting feet to meters. Tinker's Knob, one of our local mountains, has an elevation of 8,949 feet. What is the elevation in meters? So the first thing to do is figure out what you're converting and then list all your conversion factors. You know there's 12 inches in a foot. You should know there's 2.54 centimeters in 1 inch. This is an exact value. And there's 100 centimeters in 1 meter. So use unit analysis to convert your feet to inches, your inches to centimeters, and your centimeters to meters. On your calculator, you'll have 2,727.65 plus probably even more decimal places. Be sure to look at your original number and round to the proper sig figs. So your proper answer should be 2,728 meters. This time, let's convert an area. The area of our lab is 180 square feet. Let's convert the area to meters, and that will be square meters. So again, I'm going to list my conversion factors. 12 inches in a foot, 2.54 centimeters in an inch, and 100 centimeters in a meter. Because your feet units are squared, you need to square each conversion factor. So 180 times 12 squared divided by 1 squared. And then I converted inches to centimeters. Make sure you square it. And then the centimeters to meters. Make sure you square it. These are your final units. Again, you'll have a lot of decimal places on your calculator. Be sure to go back to your original value, look at the sig figs, and round properly. Be sure to put units on your answer. Let's convert speed units, something we'll do quite a bit of. Legal limit on the freeway is 65 miles per hour. In physics, we tend to use meters per second. So let's list everything we know. We have 1 mile is 1.61 kilometers. There's 1,000 meters in a kilometer, and 1 hour has 3,600 seconds. Now, when you take miles per hour, I suggest that you write it with this horizontal line. There is no abbreviation for miles, so just write it out, and you have 65 miles per 1 hour. My next conversion changes the miles to kilometers. My next one changes my kilometers to meters, and that's my final distance unit. For the hours, I'm going to use 1 hour has 3,600 seconds. Notice the seconds are in the denominator. The hours cancel, and you're left with meters per second. Mathematically, 65 times 1.61 times 1,000 divided by 3,600 with rounding to the proper sig figs, 29 meters per second. Volume. We have a ball that has a volume of 905 cubic inches. Find the volume in cubic millimeters. So first, what do I know? 905 cubic inches changing to millimeters. I know there's 2.54 centimeters in an inch and 10 millimeters in a centimeter. This time, my units are cubed, so my conversion factors have to be cubed. So I have the centimeters on top, inches on the bottom, and then I'm cubing the whole quantity. My centimeters changed to millimeters, again, cubing the whole quantity. My final answer, you'll have this huge number on your calculator. Round to 3 sig figs for the mantissa. Move your decimal place to the proper location, and you have 1.48 times 10 to the 7th cubic millimeters.